Hey guys, welcome back to Austin Makes Stuff. Before we get started, make sure you check out the first two videos in our RV series because we give a tour of the RV and do some demolition. And I also have a few more videos coming out about this RV, so make sure you subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss any of those. If you were to do one thing to your RV to refresh it and get the most bang for your buck, I think that thing would be to paint it. Painting is relatively cheap and actually pretty easy to do since the space is usually not much larger than a normal room in your house. With that being said, there are a lot of nooks and crannies that do take a while to paint, but overall it is a pretty quick and easy process that can be done in a weekend. Check out the links in the descriptions for all the tools and products I use in this video. This paint sprayer in particular, I have multiple videos on how to use it and whether or not I think it is worth it. Spoiler alert, it is.
Okay, what are we doing here?
We are mixing Floetrol into our cabinet paint so that it goes on smoother because we're doing it with a brush. We need to add like 8 ounces per gallon. I'm just gonna eyeball it. 8 ounces is a cup, so I'm just doing about a cup.
Ooh. Does it smell at all?
Sniff test. It smells like paint. So this is just an additive that it makes the paint kind of self-level a little bit, but it also takes longer to dry. But since we're indoors, it should be fine. I'm just going to do this before I mix it up so that I can mix it all together. videos in this playlist, and also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and be sure to click that like button, and we'll see you next time.